Valley 7 Echo's base to final 18 French Valley.
All right, well, welcome aboard. Find ourselves in Southern California today. Outside LA on our way to Monterey. Afternoon. Just leaving the Jet Center, French Valley. Took good care of me today. Had a couple trips in and out of here. And come to find out, Bridger, one of the line guys, is a big YouTube fan of mine. It was nice to chat with him for a little while. So basically going to take off to the south here, runway 18. Going to turn out to the left and proceed north, pick up March approach control, pick up my clearance with them, and kind of run up the, I think it's Palmdale, and then on into Monterey. So we'll see what happens here with our routing. And I'm going to concentrate on flying, so I'll get back to y'all later. French Valley traffic, Premier 390 Golf Mike departing runway 18, a left turnout to the north. March approach, Premier 390 Golf Mike.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, March CC, March altimeter 3014.
3014 Zero Golf Mike is just off of French Valley, IFR 2, are looking for an IFR clearance to Monterey.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, squawk 7716, maintain VFR direct homeland at or below 5,000.
7716 is a squawk direct homeland at or below 5,000, Zero Golf Mike. Okay, just set direct homeland, level 1 at 5,000 feet.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, your radar contact 3 miles southeast of French Valley 4,900, I have you clear.
Zero Golf Mike, go ahead for the clearance.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, cleared to Monterey Airport, direct homeland, Paradise, Victor 197, Palmdale. Charlie, that's Charlie, Hotel, Romeo, Lima, Echo, direct, maintain 5,000, expect flight level 340 West SoCal.
Okay, it's Homeland, Paradise, Victor 197, Palmdale, then Charlie, 5,000 feet, and we'll be looking for 340 as a final. Zero Golf Mike.
Zero Golf Mike, read back direct.
Flaps are up.
Zero Golf Mike, contact SoCal 134.0, have a good flight.
134.0, Zero Golf Mike, good day.
3014.
3014, level at 12589, Charlie.
SoCal approach, Premier 390 Golf Mike at 5,000.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, roger, climbing maintain 9,000.
9,000, Zero Golf Mike.
Executive 860, MNG altitude, descend and maintain 10,000.
Sorry, say that again?
Executive 860, MNG altitude, descend and maintain 10,000.
Well, on this trip, unfortunately, I'm down one camera.
November 9 Sierra Charlie, contact approach 126.7
I
today.
usually have 4.
126.7.
We got 3 cameras going today,
Premier
so...
Zero Golf Mike, climb and maintain 1000, fly heading 310, radar vectors, Palmdale.
Okay, 11,000 and 310 on the heading, Zero Golf Mike. So won't be able to get the normal cockpit display views that I know many of you have been requesting.
Approach good afternoon, Execjet 860-16000, November at Santa Ana.
Executive 860, SoCal approach Ontario altimeter 3014. Amend your altitude, descend and maintain 12,000, 12,000 for crossing traffic.
Okay, down to 12,000, on 3014-860.
Think of this one as more of a scenery related shot.
SoCal UPS 2918 heavies out of 17014 advance. We have Foxtrot in Ontario.
UPS 2918 heavy, SoCal approach Ontario altimeter 3014. Expect the ILS runway 26 left approach.
3014, plan 26 left ILS, UPS 2918 heavy.
Executive 860, traffic 11 o'clock, 10 miles northwestbound. Premier jet climbing to 1000.
860.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, traffic 3 o'clock, 7 miles southwestbound. A Hawker descending to 12,000.
Zero Golf Mike, we're looking.
Southwest 1863, contact LA Center 125.65. Have a good flight.
2565, Southwest 1863. SoCal approach, Cherokee 4107 Romeo.
Here at these lower altitudes, you got to be careful not to get up into the VNE on the airplane. 320 knots indicated as the max. And here at 11,000 feet, if I were to leave the throttles and max cruise, it would easily get up there. So got to bring them back.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, fly heading 330.
Heading 330 now, Zero Golf Mike.
UPS 2918 heavy, descend and maintain 6,000.
14 for 6, UPS 2918 heavy.
Executive 860, traffic no factor, cross Keffer at 8,000, resume the Keffer 3 arrival.
Keffer at 8,000, resume the Keffer 3 arrival, Executive 860.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, traffic no factor, contact approach 127.25, good day.
2725, Zero Golf Mike, good day. SoCal approach, Premier 390 Golf Mike at 11,000.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, SoCal approach on altimeter 3014.
3014.
Kinger 8080, Whiskey 14500. 2918 heavies with the out of 12, descending 6, turning direct to Pettis.
Last line approach again as a line.
UPS 2918 heavy out of 1000, descending 6000 direct to Pettis.
UPS 2918 heavy, SoCal approach, roger.
SoCal Kinger 8080 Whiskey 14500.
November 8080 Whiskey, SoCal approach until altimeter 3014, say destination.
3014 destination Mike India Tango MIT.
November 80 Whiskey, roger.
There's the old Norton Air Force Base down there. My good buddy John Davis, who lives in Colorado, used to fly out of there. Wanted to snap a picture of it to send it to him for old time's sake. Hope you're doing well, John. If you're listening in, I know your
SoCal Mooney.
nephew,
We'd
I
like to
think,
begin
watches
a
the
VFR.
videos.
Mooney 87 X-ray, approved as requested.
87 X-ray.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, climb and maintain 13,000.
13,000, 0 Golf Mike.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, turn left heading 280, vector Palmdale.
Left turn heading 280, 0 Golf Mike. Ah, killing me. Busy airspace though. Palmdale, PMD.
November 87 X-ray, fly heading 080, vector for traffic descending into Ontario Airport.
080 Mooney 87 X-ray.
UPS 2918 heavy is 2 miles from Pettis, cross Pettis at or above 4,300, cleared ILS runway 26 left approach.
Okay, Pettis at or above 4300, cleared the ILS 26 left approach, UPS 2918 heavy.
November 0 Golf Mike, contact Los Angeles Center 125.27.
2527, 0 Golf Mike, good day. LA Center Premier 390 Golf Mike at 13,000.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, LA Center, the Ontario altimeter 3012, 1 hour old, stay heading.
Heading 280, 3012, 0 Golf Mike.
0 Golf Mike, roger, expect higher in probably less than a minute. JetBlue 524 for traffic, expedite your climb through flight level 200 to maintain flight level 230.
JetBlue 524, expedite through 220, climb to flight level 230.
So that is what a overspeed sounds like. I exceeded 320 knots because I was sightseeing, not paying attention.
JetBlue 524, climb maintain flight level 310.
Flight level 310 now, 31 JetBlue 524.
American 180, expedite your climb through flight level 200, climb maintain flight level 250.
Okay, climb to 250, American 180.
American 180, expedite your climb through flight level 200 for traffic.
Expedite climb through 200, Wilco, American 180.
0 Golf Mike, climb maintain 15,000.
15,000, 0 Golf Mike.
And SoCal United 783 is out at 8-3 on the Loop 7 and 15,000.
At 783 LA Center, climb via SID, except maintain flight level 230.
Fine via the SID, except maintain 230 for United
The big
783.
airliner just coming underneath our wingtip there.
JetBlue 524, thanks for the help. Contact LA Center 125.72.
Was that 2572, JetBlue 524, sir?
November 0 Golf Mike, climb maintain flight level 180.
Flight level 180, 0 Golf Mike.
0 Golf Mike, traffic 12 o'clock, 10 miles opposite direction, it's Pilatus, level 190.
We'll be looking, 0 Golf Mike.
King Air 8080 Whiskey 14500.
King Air 8080 Whiskey, LA Center, the Ontario altimeter 3013.
3013 is Whiskey. LA Center, JetBlue 524. Did you have a frequency change for us, sir?
JetBlue 524, 125.72, thanks.
2572, thanks, good day.
November 390 Golf Mike, clear to Charlie.
Direct Charlie, 0 Golf Mike, thanks. That's nice.
What's that, Southwest 2038 with you 10-5 for 15,000.
Southwest 2038 LA Center, climb via SID, except maintain flight level 230.
Climb via SID, it's F230, Southwest 2038.
Well, I filed for 34,000. I did this trip a little bit earlier today and I only got to 22,000. There was too much traffic to get me above that. Doesn't really affect
American
my
180,
time.
contact LA Center 125.72.
2572, American 180.
Doesn't affect my time, but it definitely affects my fuel burn significantly. Jets are not very efficient down low. Boy, it sure is
390 Golf Mike, climb maintain flight level 200.
Flight level 2000, 0 Golf Mike.
November 242 Juliet Hotel, contact LA Center 126.35.
2635, 2 to the dog, good night.
80 Whiskey, contact LA Center 132.5.
3258 Whiskey, good day.
November 0 Golf Mike, climb maintain, flight level 220.
Flight level 220, 0 Golf Mike.
There's 0 Golf Mike, climb maintain, flight level 230.
Flight level 230, 0 Golf Mike. Start getting a little night lighting going here.
November 390 Golf Mike, climb maintain flight level 260.
Flight level 260, Zero Golf Mike.
United 783, contact LA Center, 125.72.
2572 for United 783. So long, sir.
Thanks, sir. November 0 Golf Mike, contact LA Center, 128.37.
2837, Zero Golf Mike, good day. LA Center, Premier 390 Golf Mike, 23.8, climbing 260.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, LA Center, climb and maintain flight level 300.
Flight level 300, Zero Golf Mike.
Southwest 2077, clear direct R good.
R good Southwest 277.
Legiant 147, climb maintain flight level 390.
Climb maintain 390, Legiant 147.
Hey, good afternoon, Horizon 177, level 240.
Horizon 177, LA Center, roger. Alaska 554, cross 10 miles northwest of Palmdale, flight level 240.
10 miles northwest Palmdale, 240 for Alaska 554.
Number 5795, contact Oakland Center, 127.45.
2745, compass 5795.
Okay, out of 26,400 now, climbing to flight level 300, 30,000 feet. That may or may not be our final.
JetBlue 348 for sequencing, maintain 280 knots.
Doesn't really matter.
Maintain 280 knots, JetBlue 348.
SkyWest 5675, contact LA Center, 135.3.
35-3, good day, SkyWest 5675.
Southwest 314, contact Oakland Center, 132.8.
328, Southwest 314. Good day.
United 1973, contact LA Center, 135.3.
35-3, United 1973.
November 390 Golf Mike, climb maintain flight level 340.
Flight level 340, Zero Golf Mike. Well, there's my answer.
And November 390 Golf Mike, amend altitude, maintain flight level 320, that'll be the final.
Okay, no worries, flight level 320, Zero Golf Mike.
Legiant 147, contact LA Center, 125.72.
12572, good day, Legiant 147.
Southwest 1623, thanks for your help. Contact Oakland Center, 127.45.
2745, have a good day, Southwest 1623.
So the weather at Monterey, I just pulled that up. It is calm winds, 10 miles, visibility clear. Temperature 16, altimeter 3004.
Southwest 2019, contact Oakland Center, 127.45.
I'm hoping to get a landing on runway 10 right, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Runway 28 is a good view too. I just wanted to get some footage of coming over the coming out over the water, or coming from the water and landing. That would be a new
November
one.
390 Golf Mike, contact LA Center, 135.3.
35-3, Zero Golf Mike, good day.
Roger, correction 240, compass 5921.
LA Center, Alaska 592, level 370. That's 592, LA Center, afternoon.
Center Premier 390 Golf Mike, 31 to flight level 320.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, LA Center, afternoon.
Hello. Looks like we just might be skimming the tops of the clouds here, hopefully. Always makes for a nice view.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, clear direct Makers, then direct Charlie. Makers is Mike, Alpha, Kilo, Romeo, Sierra, direct Charlie.
Okay. Okay, Makers and Charlie, Zero Golf Mike. Makers, it's pretty much the same way. And we're kind of stuck in the top of the clouds here. Let's see what happens.
Skyus 5675, what's your best forward speed today?
0.80, Skyus 5675.
Skyus 5675, increase to my 0.80 greater.
80 greater, Skyus 5675.
United 1973, don't exceed Mach point 77. 770 to 1973. Delta 198, contact LA Center 132.6, good day.
132.6, Delta 198, good day.
Compass 5823, resume normal speed, descend pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 240.
240, pilot's discretion, normal speed, compass 5823.
So we're, let me see, 386 knots ground speed and still climbing, 178 miles, nautical miles away from Monterey. Be there in about 25 minutes. Land with 2,300 pounds of fuel, will weigh 11,000 pounds. I can set my rough speed for landing. I know what that's going to be. So at this point, kind of thinking about the approach in.
In Los Angeles, that is 281-310.
A little far out for ATIS yet.
Center JetBlue 365, flight level 330.
JetBlue 365, LA Center, Roger. 265, JetBlue 265, thank you.
Turn my displays down a little bit.
Compass 5966, descend pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 240.
Pilot discretion down to 240, compass 5966. Tech 644 is 355, 370.
Tech 644, LA Center, afternoon.
After. Center South 359, flight level 350.
South 359, LA Center, right.
Well, I told you that 320 knots indicated
592, cleared, direct
is the max
Say the fix, Alaska
airspeed I can
592
go.
Murma.
Okay, direct to Murma,
Also,
Alaska 592.
0.80 Mach is the highest airspeed I can go. Right now we're doing 0.77 and maybe accelerating a little bit. But we'll have to keep an eye on that. This red tape, I don't know if you can see it, but the red tape on the left-hand side is the speed that you can't get up into.
Skyus 5675, descend and maintain flight level 340.
Descend 340, Skyus 5675.
Compass 5921, contact LA Center 132.6, good day.
132.6, good day, 5921.
High Tech 644, contact LA Center 128.37, good day.
2837, we'll see at 6644.
Center, good evening, Southwest 701, level 370 on smooth.
701 LA Center, evening, expect mostly smooth, right?
A little bumpy here, not too bad though. .78.
LA Center, good afternoon.
Now.
Alaska 337 is 39.3 for 400.
Alaska 337, LA Center, afternoon.
Afternoon.
Like we've got a little bit of a headwind.
Alaska 337, clear direct, surfer.
A little bit of a headwind. We're going 424 knots over the ground.
Alaska 337, clear direct, surfer.
I can go on my FMS to index and progress, and it tells me I have a 32 knot headwind.
Alaska 337, LA Center, radio check, how do you hear?
Loud and clear for Alaska 337.
Alaska 337, clear direct, surfer.
Direct to surfer, Alaska 337, thanks.
Yep. United 281, descend pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 240.
Discretion at 240, United 281.
Compass 5823, contact LA Center 132.6, good day.
326, compass 5826.
Firelight 901, contact Oakland Center 134.55, good day.
3455, Twilight 901, bye.
United 1973, clear direct makers.
Directly to Makers, 1973.
Another way you can tell your headwind component by taking your true airspeed and subtracting your ground speed. And that
Compass
gives me the same number.
5966, contact LA Center 132.6, good day.
326, good day, compass 5966.
JetBlue
Kind of
265,
skimming among the
clear direct
clouds
Murmur.
now.
Direct Murmur, JetBlue 265.
19 minutes out. Let me see if I can get the ATIS at on the right.
Southwest 701, descend now, maintain flight level 350.
Still a little far out.
Los Angeles, good day, it's at 617, level 270.
Jet 617, LA Center, afternoon.
Good afternoon, LA Center, Air China 983, maintenance level 30, proceed down to Amino.
China 983, heavy, LA Center, afternoon. Alaska 592, descend pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 290.
Alaska 290, Alaska 592.
Skywest 5675, contact Oakland Center 134.55, good day.
3455, good night, guys. 5675.
Southwest 359, turn 10 degrees left, vector 4, traffic, expect Murmur.
10 left, we're going to expect Murmur, Southwest 3.
Southwest 701, descend and maintain flight level 330.
That's 330, Southwest 701.
Well, I hope we're not going to miss a really good sunset.
November 0 Golf Mike, traffic 1 o'clock, 10 miles southbound, 737, 360, descending flight level 330.
Zergo, Mike, roger.
Southwest 701, traffic 12 o'clock, 100 miles opposite direction, Premier at flight level 320.
701 looking.
House 359, turn additional 10 left.
I think that's him contrailing
10
there.
left, Southwest 3.
But not much of a factor at this point.
United 1973, contact Oakland Center 134.55, good day.
3455, United 1973.
November 114, Kilo, LA Center.
Also, Kilo, go ahead.
Hi, Mr. Check on say flight level, November 14 Kilo.
I'm sorry, you're broken up there, again?
What's your flight level, November 14 Kilo?
1 Kilo, we're at 250.
Thank you. November 0 Golf Mike, cross 5 east of Makers at flight level 260.
5 east of Makers at flight level 250.
flight level 260, November 0 Golf Mike.
Flight level 260, 0 Golf Mike. Okay.
Oh, Los Angeles United 650, flight level 350, just a very light ripple.
United 650, LA Center, afternoon, Roger, most smooth.
Thank you.
Well, I've created a point along our route 5 miles short of Makers.
617, discretion, flight level 240.
It's actually pretty easy to do.
Clear direct Burns intersection.
I just go Makers / -5 and enter it, and it creates that point.
Southwest 701, descend pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 240.
Discretion 240, Southwest 701.
United 281, LA Center 1 tree 2.6, good day.
32-6, United 281, good day.
Southwest 359, clear direct Murma.
Direct Murma, Southwest 359.
Number 390 Golf Mike, contact Oakland Center 1 tree 4.55, good day.
3455, 0 Golf Mike, good day. Oakland Premier 390 Golf Mike, 30.7 down to flight level 260.
Number 390 Golf Mike, Oakland Center, Roger. Cleared after Makers, direct Wiggle, direct Monterey.
Okay, after Makers, Wiggle, and Monterey, 0 Golf Mike. Okay, so Wiggle. This is the problem with flying in areas that you're not familiar. Wiggle, wiggle,
South
wiggle.
1301, contact NorCal approach 133.905. 3395, Southwest 1301. Southwest 1591, fly present heading, expect higher in about 2 minutes. Present heading, Southwest 1591.
Got lucky, I found it. WIGL. Okay, Wiggle, Charlie, perfect. Love it when a plane comes together. Pure luck.
Southwest 1591, climb, maintain flight level 390. 390, Southwest 1591. And confirm present heading. We are on the present heading, and we're up to 390, Southwest 1591. Roger, I'll have Mickey for you in about 3 or 4 minutes. Roger.
Hoping to get down below these clouds so we can get the remainder of the sunset. Maybe a little bit late.
Scott 6381, amend the altitude, maintain flight level 290.
All right, we'll stop there.
Oh, well, a few of you have asked for
6381.
a night video. But we'll see how this one turns out.
Flight 901, contact NorCal approach 124.52.
2452, I'm good evening. Flight 901.
Oakland Delta 637, 300. Calling center, say again. Delta 637, flight level 300. Delta 637, Oakland Center, roger. How's your rides northbound for Delta 637? At 30, they should be pretty good. All right, it's getting good now. Appreciate it, thanks. Roger.
Oh yeah, there's that orange out there.
Red Stripe 977, descend via the Silicon 2 arrival, San Jose altimeter 3002.
Descend via the Silicon 2 arrival, red stripe 977.
Yeah, it was 5675, descend at Palm, discretion maintain flight level 300.
Discretion 300, Skywest 5675.
November 390 Golf Mike, descend and maintain flight level 200.
Flight level 200, Zorgo Mike. Situation like this, I'll just descend at about 1,500 feet a minute. We're at 25,000 feet, 12 miles out, so 2,000 feet a minute will get it, but we'll do 1,500 feet a minute now and just kind of see what he does next.
Control, Charlie Fire.
Number 643, Papa Charlie, contact Los Angeles Center 119.05.
San Francisco, notice the airman, runway 2 left localizer DME out of service. Runway 2 left 3,000 foot distance remains sign missing. Advise on initial contact. Get information, Romeo.
Direct Mickey, Southwest 1591, is that you?
Alright, tower information, Romeo 0054 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10.
Good evening,
Sky clear, 216.11, altimeter 3004. Visual approaching use, arriving and departing runway 2 left and right. Flow control for all aircraft to Los Angeles, Las Vegas,
47
and San Francisco. Notice the airman, runway 2 left localizer DME out of service. Runway 2 left 3,000 foot distance from
that call center? I'm sorry.
Advise on initial contact. You have information, Romeo.
247 Oakland Center, ready. Yeah, it was 5675, descend via the Surfer 2 arrival, San Francisco, altimeter 3002.
Descend via the Surfer 2 arrival, Skywest 5675.
Okay, so I've got it.
390 Golf Mike, contact Oakland Center 128.7.
128.7, so Golf Mike good day.
Good day.
Oakland Premier 390 Golf Mike 23.4, descending flight level 200.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Oakland Center, descend maintain 10,000, Monterey altimeter 3004.
10,000 004, 0 Golf Mike. Okay, I've got the GPS 28 left set up. Interestingly, wiggle is on that approach, which is probably why he gave that to me.
Number 6035 November, contact NorCal approach 127.15, 2715.
2715, 35 November, half grade.
Got our descent checklist done. Yeah, that's Big Sur down there. Got to be one of the prettiest areas that I've seen in the States.
Number 6035 November, contact NorCal approach 127.15.
Open, was that call for Echo Echo?
Number 206 Echo Echo negative, but you can contact Lemoore approach now 118.15. 49.15.
So here's the approach coming in from Wiggle here. And see what they do. Can actually change that. Let's see. I come down here to night. And it becomes a little less bright. Well, I'd say I'm about a half hour late for really good sunset filming conditions.
Number 390 Golf Mike, contact NorCal approach 127.15.
2715, Zero Golf Mike, good day. NorCal approach Premier 390 Golf Mike, 15.7 down to 10,000 with Romeo.
390 Golf Mike, NorCal approach Roger, Monterey altimeter 3004.
004, Zero Golf Mike.
Number 208 Echo Zulu, NorCal.
Boy, dehydrated. Flying all day.
NorCal approach, Marchetti 208, Echo Zulu with you at 8,500. Good evening.
Zero Golf Mike, proceed direct Monterey, expect visual approach, runway 28 left, maintain 8,000.
Okay, direct to Monterey at 8,000, Zero Golf Mike.
208 Echo Zulu, NorCal approach, say destination, Flames altimeter 3002.
I'm going to do this.
Destination is 0 Quebec Niner for 8 Echo Zulu. We might divert to Oscar 69 Petaluma.
Alright, just let me or one of the next controllers know.
Do this direct.
Perfect,
5
thank
mile
you.
final. And
NorCal Marchetti 208 Echo Zulu, do you by any chance have the current weather at Alpha Papa Charlie at Sierra Tango Sierra?
Number 8 Echo Zulu. Let me look it up. It might be a minute. I'm not sure if I can even get it.
Thank you.
Number 8 Lima Papa, contact approach 121.3.
there's definitely some higher terrain out here, so.
828, Lima Papa.
No, 121.3 for 828 Lima Papa.
121.38.
Actually, the way he's got me coming in is pretty good. I thought I was a little further south than what I was.
Sir, Zero Golf Mike, maintain 6,000, call the field when you get it.
Down to 6,000, we got the field in sight, Zero Golf Mike.
Zero Golf Mike, clear to approach runway 28 left.
Clear to visual 28 left, Zero Golf Mike.
Approach Cessna 828 Lima Papa. What was the frequency again? 121.3.
Remember, Alien Papa, affirmative, 121.3.
Thank you, 82 Lima Papa.
Zero Golf Mike, contact Monterey Tower 118.4.
18-4, Zero Golf Mike, good day.
So 208.
Monterey Tower, good evening, Premier 39, Zero Golf Mike. Yeah.
The 390 Golf Mike, Monterey Tower, good evening. Continue inbound.
Continue, Zero Golf Mike. See these green over here start to pop up, which is those mountains over there. Indicating their height relative to me. They could be a factor. If I were to point that way, that is. Kicking the autopilot off. And out there's the runway. I don't know if you can see it, but on the right-hand side of the runway is a visual glide path indicator. If it's all reds, you're too low. If it's all white, you're too high. And if it's two reds and two whites, then you're on glide path.
Here's Zero Golf Mike, 1203, runway 82 left, clear to land.
28 left, clear to land, 39 Zero Golf Mike. So probably can't tell, it's 3 whites and 1 red, which means I'm slightly high, which actually corresponds or cross-checks with the what the aircraft is telling me as well. Put a little speed brake out to slow down here. Load 200 knots, I can put my first notch flaps out. Gear coming down. And correcting back to a glide slope.
1,000.
Slowing.
$1,000. $500.
Idle. Boy, it is still today.
Zergo, Mike, Sierra Tech, Spark Cluster.
Monterey Jet, Zergo, Mike.
Mike, Raw to Echo, turn left at Echo, Tech, Smart Jet Center, VTX, Echo, new command this frequency.
Okay, left at Echo, and Echo to Monterey, and we'll stay with you. Zergo, Mike. Foxtrot. Echo. Okay. Cleaned up. So, right. Flight log. 311 miles. Nautical. 53 minutes. 1170 fuel used. And I am done for the day. A big day. Good day, but big day.